I think, Agam, my sense is one should not expect major fireworks or big announcements, but I think yes, some indication the market is building in that whether the retail business is getting ready for some sort of value unlocking. So I think any commentary on that would definitely be something sentimentally positive for the stock. But I think broadly, I think the markets would obviously like to know on the digital side, specifically on the geofinance kind of business, what is the commentary of the management, because this business is now got listed. A major disruption is expected in the next 1 to 2 years. So what kind of growth plans this company has got and how it's going to scale up its business is something the markets would be looking forward. The existing business like the telecom business, the oil and gas business, I don't think there are going to be any major announcements. But yes, I think markets would obviously like to know what is the kind of tailwind there. So I think the geo finance business is going to be critically important this time. Now that the business is listed, I think most probably markets are expecting some big announcements to be announced, from this division, which I think would be, obviously be highlighted by the management tomorrow in the annual general meeting.
Hmm.
I think, Agam, the kind of contracts and the orders which are coming to infra companies is quite encouraging. In fact, one of the names PNC Infratech as well as PSP projects and KNR Construction, these are companies where we believe that a lot of EPC work has come in the last 3 to 6 months. Now that elections are over, the project momentum of awarding these new orders has started gaining a lot of traction. And we believe that FY25 should be significantly better for these companies, considering the fact that now top line and order book is going to be significantly better than last year. So I think it's a pick and choose in this market. I would say that wherever the order book is very strong, the execution is pretty solid. I think these are companies which possibly could see a lot of traction in the second half of FY24-25. So I think we are continually positive on these companies. Maybe in the first half, you could see a little bit of sluggishness, but the second half typically is supposed to be a very strong period for these companies where execution is going to be significantly higher than the first half.